Now, there are multiple ways to multiply fractions times whole numbers. There are some where you have to recognize the model. Finding parts of a group, which we're going to start next week. Using number lines, which we'll do next week. Using bar models, which we'll do next week. I'm going to show you the standard algorithm right now, because it's easy peasy, raw chicken squeezy. So if I had 2/7 of 28, which is the same thing as saying 2/7 times 28. Of and multiplication sign mean the same thing. Means the same thing. Now the ones you'll get today, Keaton, close your computer. The ones you'll get today, close your computer. Work where you're not going to have any remainders or fractions or anything. What you're going to do is you're going to see how many times 7 goes into 28. So you'll do 7 divided by 28. Or 28 divided by 7, sorry. 28 divided by 7, and then you'll multiply that by your numerator. So 28 divided by 7 is? 4. 4 times 2 is? 8.
I got my answer correct by multiplying 28 times 2.
Your next trick is completely out. Let's look at one more. 3/8 of 72. If I'm going to make this into an equation and then solve that equation, I have 72 divided by 8 times 3. My whole number divided by my denominator and then multiply it by my numerator. So 72 divided by 8 is? 9. 9 times 3 is? 27. It's as easy as that. Your whole number divided by your denominator and then multiply that by your numerator. If you want to see, let's see, the whole number divided by the denominator multiplied by the numerator. Now, none of the ones you get today are going to have, they're going to go in evenly. Like 8's going to go evenly into 72. You're not going to have any 72 and 5/10 or 72 like that. Okay, so all the ones you'll see today are like that. Notice, on today's work, my answer is not going to be a fraction. On today's work, my answer is a whole number. And this is just one of the ways to do it. We have other ways that we'll do next week that you'll learn next week.